Imagine scrolling through Pinterest, finding a killer outfit, a viral aesthetic, or that trending look, and cloning it instantly onto your model built with artificial intelligence. No delays, no photo shoots. Just click, clone, and post. That's not the future. That's possible right now with MySnapFace.com. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can take any look you see on Pinterest and instantly transform it into profitable content for your AI influencer. Whether you're running a subscription page or building social media clout, this strategy will save you time, money, and get you content that actually converts. Here's the reality. Content creation is expensive and time-consuming. Buying outfits just for one photo shoot, that's dollars gone. Waiting for shipping, delays your content calendar, coordinating shoots, takes hours. And worst of all, by the time your content is ready, the trend might already be over. But Pinterest solves half the problem. It's a goldmine of looks, aesthetics, poses, and trends. The missing piece? Execution. That's where MySnapFace comes in. Let me walk you through this step by step. Step 1. Go to MySnapFace.com and download the Chrome extension. Think of this as your control panel for cloning Pinterest looks. Step 2. Head over to Pinterest and pick any photo or outfit you like. As soon as you hover over it, the extension will activate right on top of the image. Step 3. Now we adjust the extension settings. First, make sure the extension is enabled. Then, choose your mode. Imitate. This creates a similar version of the photo with your AI model. Clone. This recreates the same image, but with your AI model in it. If you're cloning, you'll also pick the clone amount, exact copy for a one-to-one recreation. Different if you want a few variations inspired by the original. Next up, choose the visual style. Amateur for a more natural, casual vibe. Professional for that polished studio photography look. After that, select your image dimensions based on where you'll be posting. Portrait 3:4 or square 1:1 for Instagram posts. Portrait 9:16 for Reels. But if you need it, you can also select the landscape ratio. Then you decide the button position. That's where the clone button will appear on images. And finally, choose your AI character. Some of them are pre-made, but we're choosing the ones we've built previously. Check out our previous video to see how. Then, once selected, go back to Pinterest and press the button. Wait a few seconds and that's it. The image is now cloned with your model and ready to go. After you run it, the output will appear inside your MySnapFace dashboard. Super easy, right? From there, you can scroll through the results, pick your favorite, and upscale before posting. This works because it solves the #1 problem every creator faces: speed. Instead of waiting days or weeks, you can take a trend today and post it today. That's what keeps your content relevant and your account always ahead of the curve. And the real magic here is growth. Most creators stop posting because they run out of looks or they can't keep up with trends. With this system, that problem disappears. One Pinterest board can fuel weeks of fresh content. Daily posts, nonstop variety, endless trends. The algorithm rewards consistency. And when you can post faster and more often, your account grows quicker than ever. So if you're ready to turn Pinterest into an endless content engine, head over to MySnapFace.com right now. Download the Chrome extension, train your AI influencer, and start cloning looks today. And don't forget, we have a free Telegram group where creators share their strategies and results. The link's down below. And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit subscribe to this channel. I'll be sharing more strategies, tutorials, and insider tips on how to grow fast with AI influencers. See you in the next one.